Welcome back to Excel Academy YouTube channel. In our today's video, we are about to add a new playlist, and this playlist is on Learning VBA in Excel. Again, it's going to be a very fun-driven video series for us, and here we're going to learn VBA at a very fast rate. I'm going to teach you VBA in under 20 hours, and we will learn all of them, and this is going to be only for my members here, and there are a few videos which I will be adding for our regular subscribers. Those who want to be a member of my channel can get this entire video series from the next video. So we're going to see what is VBA. When I go for VBA stands for Visual Basic Application for Editor, and the first session that we're going to talk about is what is VBA and why should you learn VBA. People say there is a lot of new things that comes into play. This is a topic that I'm hearing for the last decade or so, and still VBA grows stronger day by day. So that's the only reason why I have added this video for us, and how to go ahead in Excel VBA, or a regularly used slang called Excel macro. So when I go for VBA, VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications, and VBA helps us to instruct Microsoft computer programming like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and Outlook to create an automation in it. I'm interested in showcasing the Excel part. Again, when you are going to learn VBA, we can apply VBA in Word, PowerPoint, Access, and as well as in Outlook. That's what I've done so far. So we're going to learn more about VBA in Excel. So when I go for an VBA, so why would I learn VBA? Normally when I go for VBA, VBA does the automation part better, and probably anything that I do it on regular basis or slight improvisation in my data set will make my life a little more easier in handling the data. VBA can be used. You don't want to have a humongous data, or you don't want to have a complex data to create a VBA. Even a simple task can be done with VBA. One of the simple tasks that I've created right now in our current screen is called column sort of it, and this saves a lot of time. If I'm filling a data, my data set will automatically adjust the data sets for me accordingly. And why I want to learn a VBA is you can automate a boring or a repetitive task, or analyze data, or build your own Excel tool which saves time for us by not doing it every time from scratch. How do I go ahead with VBA? To start VBA, first and the foremost part is please save your Excel workbook in XLSM format. And then if you want to go furthermore, just hit an ALT F11 screen or an ALT F11 to get your Visual Basic Application for Editors. And then if you want to write a universal program, or you want to write a program which not only works in your Excel current sheet, but also that works in other Excel files or workbooks, then I'll be writing an Excel code in a module. To add a module, I'll give Alt IM, which will insert a module to me in my data set, and then I can start writing the program. If you like this video, please follow along at Excel Academy at YouTube channel, and then or you can say at Excel Academy snippet for more Excel related videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my channel, and you are about to be blown away with the VBA codings that's going to come into play for you. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Academy YouTube channel. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Happy holidays.